Welcome to Health Neighborhood. We will cover the 10 easy ways to make your hair grow faster. If you feel like your hair's growth has slowed a bit, you're probably not imagining it. Our rate of hair growth slows as we age, so it can be harder to keep those locks looking full and glorious. Everything from stress, hormonal changes, age, heredity and overstyling can impact the health of our hair. Today we're going to look at solutions that will help grow your hair faster. 10. Eat a nutrient-rich diet. Eating a healthy diet affects your hair and scalp health just as much as it affects the health of the rest of your body. For fast hair growth, you want to eat a well-balanced diet full of vegetables, fruits, and essential fatty acids. 9. Avoid overheating your hair. There's evidence to suggest that the worst thing you can do to your hair is high temperature and heat damage. Limit the use of curling and straightening irons. Use blow dryers as needed but just enough to get the job done. 8. Biotin. Biotin is a complex B vitamin that helps to maintain the condition of skin, hair, nails, the liver, and the nervous system. Most people will receive the appropriate dose from their existing diets, but many have started to use biotin as a supplement to encourage hair and nail health as well as blood sugar regularity. Biotin is naturally found in bananas, eggs, mushrooms, and soybeans, to name a few. 7. You are what you eat. This includes your hair. To promote hair growth, you need to eat well. In fact, consuming a diet lacking the right nutrients can actually even lead to hair loss. Eating a balanced diet, packed with protein, vitamins and minerals can help promote hair growth. 6. Castor oil has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and more recently it has become popular as a natural remedy for hair growth. It's believed to moisturize the scalp, enhance the health of hair follicles and promote growth. An added bonus is its price. It costs a fraction of salon treatments and gets great reviews online. Massage a generous amount of this into your scalp before bed and wash out the next morning. 5. Never skip conditioner. Don't be inclined to think you can do without the conditioner. Conditioner should be our best friend. Protect against the dreaded split ends. Coconut oil makes an excellent conditioner. Many shampoos contain sulfates that strip away natural oils, so you do need to condition. Try switching to a sulfate-free shampoo. 4. No hair buns. Although hair buns are very convenient in keeping hair out of your face, you may want to rethink its pros and cons. Tying up your hair for a long time can pull back your hairline while exerting undue pressure on the scalp and hair follicles. High ponytails and tight buns may be the reason behind your stunted hair growth. Also, tying up the hair too often on the same spot can weaken the hair shafts in that particular area and later cause breakage. 3. Protect your hair from the sun. Prolonged sun exposure damages your hair more than you realize. Ultraviolet radiation negatively affects the hair protein structure and can give you dry, brittle hair. To minimize sun damage, use proper hair protection when stepping out. You can apply a hair protective serum to block out the radiation. Also, consider wearing a cap, hat, or scarf to cover your hair. 2. Scalp massage. Massaging the head can stimulate blood vessels and hair follicles, which can consequently encourage hair growth. More active follicles can mean more hair growth all over the head, and regular head massages are an excellent way to ensure the hair grows evenly. There are many simple head massage techniques online that are easy to learn. 1. Egg mask treatment. Eggs contain a high amount of protein which stimulates and promotes healthy hair growth and condition. This home treatment can be made by combining just 1 or 2 eggs and some yogurt. Mix the ingredients in a bowl, mixing them thoroughly, then apply to the hair for 20 minutes. Wash out with water and continue this practice monthly to see some amazing results. Now that you know these secrets to help your hair grow faster, it doesn't mean you have to try all of it at once. Start by trying a few of your favorites, then add a new tip in each week until your hair is long and lustrous. Then everyone begins asking you what your secret is? Thank you for joining us today. Share your comments below. Please subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. We'll see you on the next video.